All right, guys, this is going to be a game changer for sure. This is how you keep cool when you're playing your MetaQuest 2 VR headset. Check it out. What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at this accessory for your Oculus 2. So if you like VR games and maybe you get a little warm, sweat starts to form up and you're needing a solution, this could be it. This is going to be a fan that you could put on your VR headset to keep you cool. So let's open this up so we can take a look at it. All right, so once we open the box, the first thing that we see is going to be a thank you card. It's pretty cool. Then you get your user guide. You get a USB-C cable. And this is going to be the custom guard pad that uses the fan. And this is going to be the fan itself. So basically, this is designed to help keep you cool. The fan, it slips right onto the top of the face guard, just like that. And when you turn it on, it circulates the air from the fan into the face guard to keep you nice and cool. Also, it'll help keep your lenses from fogging up so you'll be able to see. This is a really, really neat device. To get this put on, it's really simple. So we're just gonna snap in the new face guard. All right, so you just have to make sure that you press it in real firmly. Boom, it's in there. And now we can put our fan on. So the fan just goes in right on top. There's 5 different speeds on here. So we have a low power, a moderate, high speed, extreme airflow, and then a cycle airflow. So the cycle airflow is going to be more natural, comfortable. So let's go ahead and give this a try. All right, so I have the new face guard on, new headset. It actually fits really well. I think it fits better than the actual original one. And now let's change the airflow speed. And I can actually feel the air against my face. Feels really good. Turn it up a little higher. And on its max setting. So yeah, this actually feels really good. You would think that with the air coming down in front of your face that it actually would mess with your eyes and maybe dry out your eyes. It actually goes into the face guard and it makes the face guard feel more like a cool face guard, not really air just blowing onto your eyes. So this is going to be pretty cool for if you're going to be gaming for a long period of time, and it's really going to help with moisture and sweat, and also heat. Keeps the VR headset nice and cool. So I think this is going to be a must for your MetaQuest 2 VR headset. It's a nice pickup. Well guys, this is going to be the cooling fan for your MetaQuest 2 headset. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.